Char.
You may now take your seats. Your senses. A sudden question came to mind. What could I...
Waiting for your confirmation.
By virtue of the authority delegated to me,
Station Sara Z. Duterte. To be read ay nasa kamay ninyo. Lahat tayo ay may Go for the distribution of the certificates.
On their way to junior high school. Ladies and gentlemen, the Brighton Tempilar completers. Prisoner Chase Maglasan Amber, Deborah Loselia Aliha. Ace Robin Sachua Taker. Clarice J. Ekali Mantelia. Alicia Kili Orzal. Mohamed Milana. Angel Isgaleka. Rachel Lapu-Lapu is class advisor, Mr.
We anchor your encouragement, our fuel, and your sacrifices, our inspiration to give our best and continue to pagmahal. And to you fellow completers, schoolmates, classmates, best friends, home shared with us, laughters, camaraderie, companionship. Thank you for the tears, the quarrels even. All the memories really that will be dearly cherished forever. And as we step into another milestone, I say it's totally okay to feel overwhelmed and a little bit scared of what is to come. Just keep in mind though that life is a journey, not a destination. And the biggest adventure you can take is to live the life of your dreams. So, class of 2024, don't be pushed around by the fears in your mind, but instead, be led by the dreams in your heart. For the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Let's live life to the fullest, chase our dreams with passion and purpose. Continue living in the moment, and never forget the incredible journey we've shared.
irrevocable acceptance. You would even willingly take our place when we are hurt. What we are now and what else we shall conquer is because of the strength you clothe us with.
Tagalog, ilang ganda. Bisaya.
Thank you, young completers. You may now
The completers of Consolacion National High School